For 100 years, this place has been more than buildings and classrooms. It has been a beginning, a turning point, a second chance, a promise. Generations have arrived here carrying hope, uncertainty, ambition, and they left carrying purpose. Here, learning is personal, opportunity is real, and possibility feels close enough to touch.
This is where we discover who we are and who we can become. For 100 years, this institution has shaped lives, strengthened our region, and opened doors that changed futures. When people talk about this university, they often say the same thing. It feels like home. And home is more than a place. It's belonging, it's pride, and it's knowing what you do here matters.
Now, we stand at the edge of our next chapter, the start of our next century. And the question before us is simple. How do we carry forward what makes this place special, while boldly shaping what comes next? Our next century demands more of us. More courage, more imagination, more impact. And now we have answered that call.
Our strategic plan is about honoring our roots while expanding our reach. It's about deepening our commitment to students, strengthening our partnerships, and leading with purpose across our region. We are rooted in this region and responsible to it. Its challenges, its hopes, its future. So today, we honor the journey behind us by choosing the direction ahead. This is how we turn pride into progress. This is how we turn history into momentum. This is our home. This is our moment. This is our plan. And this is our way forward and how we will begin our next 100 years.